Why software projects rarely fail because of technology? Gartner found that 75% of enterprise software projects fail to meet their original business objectives within 3 years of launch. 3 out of 4. And when you dig into why, the answer surprises most people. It's rarely the code. It's rarely the technology stack. It's rarely a bug. When a project fails, the postmortem usually points at technology. Wrong framework, wrong vendor, wrong architecture. But look closer at the real cases. The FBI spent $170 million on a case management system that never shipped. A UK healthcare IT program collapsed after $12 billion. In both cases, the technology wasn't the failure point. The requirements kept changing. The people who'd actually use the system were never in the room. Leadership measured progress by activity, not outcomes. Research backs this up consistently. PMI found that projects with real user involvement in requirements gathering succeed 40% more often than projects driven purely by executive mandates. That's a listening problem, not a technology problem. And we see the same pattern across industries. A system gets built to specification. It launches, and it fails, not because it doesn't work, but because it doesn't fit how people actually do their jobs day to day. Nobody wrote a single line of bad code. The team just built the wrong thing, very well. The projects that succeed share 3 habits, and none of them are technical. They involve end users before the build starts, not after launch. They define one measurable outcome, like reducing processing time or cutting manual errors, before writing a single requirement. And they treat scope changes as decisions to be made deliberately, not requests to quietly say yes to. Technology executes the plan. It was never responsible for making the plan right. So before your next major software initiative, the first question should be, who's actually going to use this? And have they told you what they need? Get that right, and the technology decisions get a lot easier. At Techify, we start every engagement by understanding the business problem, not the technical one. If your project didn't deliver what you expected, let's talk about why.